It is too hot and humid right now, and my uniform, like my summer uniform, has literally been a pair of shorts with a t-shirt, like a loose t-shirt like this. I've been living on shorts these days, and I thought, why don't I show you my shorts collection? I've been wearing them so much, I've been buying so many shorts, so I thought let's do a shorts collection video. So I hope you'll enjoy it, and well, let's start. So this is a pair of light blue denim shorts, and I love the shade of this first of all. Also they have like this paper bag kind of waist, and its weight बहुत comfy, it's elasticated and it does not make you feel uncomfortable at all. These are my go-to shorts, and I'm pretty sure I wear them like once or twice every week. I'm not even kidding. मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलता. This is the first thing I grab. Wearing it with a loose t-shirt like this, and t-shirt को tuck in कर लो with sneakers and layer a lot of jewelry on top of it. Bag it back carry करो, बहुत amazing look हो जाता है. And then can you see it's like a very flared kind of structure to it. So ये यहाँ से loose है and it feels so good. Moving on to another pair, I've got these denim shorts from H&M, and I think मैंने आपको ये haul में recently दिखाया था. So these are actually really like super fitted on me, and as I just said, मैं बहुत rarely fitted shorts लेती हूँ because I've always been very conscious about my thighs, but I'm trying to embrace my body more. I'm trying to be more confident in my skin, which is a reason like I bought them, and I'm really loving it. How hot does these look? I mentioned ये बहुत high waisted है and ये बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, and I love like a good pair of high waisted bottom wear. Don't get me started on the low waist trend which is coming back. I think these fit me so nicely, like they make the booty look so good, and they fit so nicely on the waist part. They're super high waisted, they are not too short. Love this. Very few colorful denim shorts that I have. Again another Shein purchase, and I got this again back in 2019, and ये भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. First of all because of the color. This is like this cotton twill kind of material, and ये fabric बहुत अच्छा है. Like I really like the fabric of these shorts. Now speaking about this fabric, I've got another pair of shorts that I got from H&M. These are high waist mom shorts, and you know I love anything with a mom fit, so I had to get it. Now these are super high waisted. I mean just look here, ये कितने high waisted है, and these are really comfortable. So this is one of the best lengths of a pair of shorts. These are not too long, not too short, and I feel the most comfortable in it. This is one of my favorite shorts on my closet right now. This feels so good. It is not too tight, not too loose. It looks really flattering on your body, and overall मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Also I think a pair of black shorts is definitely a closet essential. Now moving on to a final like this cotton shorts that I have again from H&M. I love H&M के shorts, if that's not clear already. जैसे वो denim वाला है, I wear that once or twice a week. Again for these shorts I definitely like wear them so much. इसको मैं हर तीसरे दिन पहनती हूँ. I just love wearing it. Now as you can see, they are a little loose and oversized, but then I think with a fitted cute crop top that like this, it really balances the outfit, and they are very comfortable. So thumbs up for that. I love pairing this with black or beige pieces and create a very monochrome or a neutral outfit. And even these have like really big deep pockets, and well, we love anything with a good pocket, so love it. The first one is a purchase from Ajio, and ये मैंने I think March के around लिया था. If given a chance, I can wear them every day. They've got this elasticated waist. इसमें आगे से drawstrings हैं. It's got pockets, and सिर्फ दो ही नहीं, it's got 3 pockets because there's this छोटू सा like pocket at the back also. And this one is from a brand called Outright. Now I really like this brand on Ajio. This brand has a lot of very cute clothing. If you have not seen my this Ajio haul na, do check it out because इसमें I think almost everything that I got was from Outright. I think if I like dress it properly ना, मैं इसको आराम से बाहर भी पहन सकती हूँ, like with sneakers. Like suppose I'm going out for like some grocery shopping or something. कुछ ऐसे बहुत basic सा काम हो ना, I can easily wear this with t-shirts and a pair of like good white sneakers or something. So this is really cute. Moving on to a second one, which is again from Shein, and this is definitely like another really cute lounge shorts that I love wearing. So it's like these black shorts, but then bam, it's got a surprise at the side. So it's got like a colorful strip here at the side. I love them just because of this colorful band here at the side. ये बहुत cute लगता है. These shorts are definitely one of the most comfortable ones. I mean that's quite visible from the try on. But I do want to tell you, इसमें भी एक बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत है which I don't like is that they don't have pockets. That is the only con of these shorts. बाकी सब तो ये बहुत amazing है. I remember I styled this once last year for a video. हाँ, I remember the video. It was my scrunchies besides my like outfits for a week or something. So a lot of you are actually new to the channel and I don't think आप लोगों ने वो video देखा भी होगा. So I posted it last year on April, हाँ, जब lockdown just start हुआ था. So I used to do a lot of fashion challenges. There was my scrunchies decide my outfit for a week. There was a spin wheel deciding my outfits for a week. I think I need to bring back these fashion challenges. What do you say? Tell me in the comments. So the next two pair of shorts are from Big Bazaar and I think Big Bazaar में भी बहुत cute shorts मिलते हैं. ये वाला तो मैं अभी recently एक vlog में पहना हुआ था and I got a couple of questions on this actually. So this is from Big Bazaar. It's in this really cute pink color and then it has these blue and orange avocados all over it. So now these final ones, they don't look too like घर में पहनने वाला, if you know what I mean. Like I can easily wear this with a cute t-shirt, like a crop t-shirt, fitted crop top or crop t-shirt, and I can wear this with flats or my sliders and I can easily wear it out. ये वाले are in this black and white color, तो white है, इसमें black flowers हैं all over and then it's got this white drawstring at the front and it's got pockets as well, like big deep pockets. इनका ना थोड़ा सा कट ऐसे फ्लैट टाइप ऑफ है तो ये थाई वाले पार्ट से काफी ज्यादा लूज है. दैट इज जस्ट द स्टाइल ऑफ दीज शॉर्ट्स. So first one are these boxer shorts that I got from H&M. ये तो मैंने आपको अभी पिछले वीडियो में दिखाए थे my recent H&M sale haul, which if you haven't watched it yet, I'll link it here and in the bottom bar. Make sure you check it out. In the past few days, I think I've worn it thrice already. I am loving these shorts. I think I'm a big fan of biker shorts now. First of all, I'll definitely be buying it in more colors. And secondly, this particular piece from H&M, it is so comfortable. It's of this ribbed material and ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So I'm loving wearing this. Obviously, biker shorts में I don't think we've got pockets here, so no pockets. Waist इसका elasticated है and इसका लेंथ भी लंबा है. So if you like long biker shorts, I think this is something that you should check out. Biker shorts are, why did I not get them before? I love them now. Now the only like fancier, dressier pair of shorts that I have, which is again from Shein. So this is what it looks like. I wore it for my birthday. I think in 2020 मैंने इसको पहना था with a wrap top, an orange wrap top, and मुझे वो look बहुत cute लगा था. Also this one has these like 4 gold buttons here at the front. बाकी ये basic black shorts है. This one has such a good fabric. I cannot stop praising it. It's not soft, it's a flowy kind of material. I normally like to wear this usually with fancy tops, like either good wrap tops, satin tops. Like I don't wear this with any t-shirt or anything because I love to dress this up. I think this is the only shorts that I have which I can dress up, तो मुझे इसको ऐसे अच्छे से थोड़ा सा dress up करके ही पहनना पसंद है. Also this gold detailing, this buttons का, it gives it a very luxe feel. Now the final pair of shorts is actually this bottle green kind of gym shorts that I got from Zivame, and it's from their in-house brand. I think Velocity उनका in-house brand है, not sure though. I might be mistaken here. Now this one is actually really comfortable because इसके अंदर से first of all they've got this like थोड़ा सा body fitted shorts kind of, and उसके ऊपर से ये दूसरी layer है of loose flowy shorts, so it's very safe to wear it while working out. इसका जो waistband है, it's so nice and thick and it feels like really good, really comfortable. आगे से it's got this Velocity का logo. It's got 2 pockets here at the side. That is amazing. And overall इसका fit and इसका quality काफी अच्छा है. I love the color of these shorts. I think its color is definitely one of the best thing about it. Now please tell me what more collection videos do you want to see. I would love to know that. I know a lot of you have been requesting jeans collection and I am planning to finally do that video, so hopefully जल्दी ही चैनल में वो आ जाएगा। पर उसके अलावा आपको और कौन सी कलेक्शन वीडियोस देखनी है, प्लीज़ टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। आई एक्चुअली हैव एन एंटायर प्लेलिस्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट कलेक्शन वीडियोस दैट आई हैव डन इन द पास्ट. I have a winter wear collection, white top wear collection, black top wear collection, and jacket collection, and I think I did one more recently. So basically I have like a lot of collection videos already up on the channel. Oh yes, I did my square top collection videos as well. I love a good square neck top line, neckline wallet top, so I do have that one also up on the channel. Now the question of the day is, what is your favorite bottom wear? Yeah, tell me in the comments your favorite bottom wear, whether you like to wear shorts or skirts or jeans or trousers or whatever you like to wear. You know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. Please make sure that you don't go without subscribing to the channel. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually every Monday and Thursday at 11 a.m. And that's it. Bye guys. Make sure you're taking care of your mental health. Drink a lot of water. Work out kar lena. Wear a cute outfit. Stay confident. Bye.